Hey, Tony Murphy with Autoshop Solutions. Welcome to today's episode of Autoshop Academy. Today we are joined by Kevin Nelson from NCS, longtime industry vet on the collision side of business. So today we're going to be talking about all things collision. So Kevin, welcome. Thanks for driving down and seeing us today.
Thank you so much. It's not bad. Just I think it was about 20 miles from my office.
We're
to your
fortunate
office,
that you guys are local to us.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, I appreciate you giving us this opportunity to be here because we're just starting a new relationship with Autoshop Solutions, and you know I've got some questions. And when you and I first met, it sparked all of these things in me. Okay, why?
Exactly.
Why are we doing this, right? But I guess my first question is what's your take, Tony, on where is the collision industry going?
Yeah, that's actually a really good question. So we have a lot of collision clients right now, and we're seeing a few focuses shift right now. So we're seeing, and we're building a lot of OE certifications on their website. So really, expanding their reach online. So if they're BMW certified, Toyota certified, and really it's a lot more about teaching the people who are looking to get their car repaired from that accident of what that certification process looks like, how it retains the warranty, what type of parts they're using. So that's really important. Another hot button, which I'm sure we'll get into, is DRP work versus self-pay work.
Absolutely, yeah.
That's really big. And then just, why is it important to be online? Because I feel, so the cadence on automotive repair is someone's going to come into a shop 2 to 3 times per year, right? Where on the collision world, it's 5 to 7 times. Once every 5 to 7 years. Yeah, sorry, I got tongue-tied. So that's an interesting dynamic. So I feel a lot of collision shops feel that they don't need an online presence, but I was sharing a story with you earlier that I got hit in a parking deck. And I didn't want to go through insurance because, as a consumer, I'm afraid that my rates are going to go up. Are they going to drop my insurance, right? All those horror stories you always hear. So I started my customer journey online, right? Being in digital marketing, I'm very familiar with it. So, collision repair near me, looking at Google reviews, and then just really being able to tell that story and translate it back to collision shop owners, that the importance of why they need to do all that.